Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐒𝐿. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today, I'm having a good hair day and I put in work to get this wig to look like this. Stick around for all the details if you want to know how I transformed a straight wig into looking like this. We have to give a warm welcome to today's sponsor. This is actually my first collaboration with them. Today's hair sponsor is OQHAIR. I have installed a 24-inch 4x4 Kinky Straight skin melt lace wig. This is the one that I used to curl the wig with, and it took me a long time, but I left a portion to show you guys because y'all know that's what I do. Let's see. This is gonna be very cute. It's giving 𝐒𝐮𝐸. A little loose for a glueless wig, but you can definitely wear it glueless, but I would say with this one, like, I would personally want to secure it down, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, you guys, I burnt myself real good there. I think when I just burnt myself, it kind of traumatized me. So did the other side differently. We're gonna go with that. We're just trying to get these to look like they belong in the same household. What might look straight to me might not look straight to you guys. Sometimes I'll be so mad at myself. After my install, I'll look at the hair and I'll be like, how the heck did I think that that was straight? I'm gonna leave those two pieces for last. I take about a 1-inch section. The roots of the wig, it's always like extra kinky. Ah, cha. I'm just gonna keep curling these under. How it lays is very important. The top hairs, you want them all to kind of be uniform. I'm actually also applying a lot of pressure when I'm curling it. How are we gonna do this? I'm gonna push it back like that, or just down like that. Hey guys, I'm trying to figure this out. I don't know what to do with this piece. It's not really sitting how I want it to. So this style, you're not really supposed to like touch the curls too much. What do we think, guys? Kinky Straight is beautiful. Now I'm going to have a lot of fun with this hair because I'm going to be wearing it straight, I'm going to be wearing it in this curled state, I'm going to be doing all of the above, and I love the fact that it's a closure. So I decided to curl it today with a wand. There's no products throughout this portion of the hair, no hairspray, no nothing. Kinky Straight really holds a good curl. I didn't run my hands through the curls today because I wanted it to keep this look. It is definitely styled length, and even when it's like in its natural state, it's longer than that. 24 inch is hitting me right here, you guys. So it's hitting me where a 24 inch would hit me curled. I was expecting this wig to like go to here after being curled. When it's straightened in its natural state, it's like almost 30 inches. Shout out to you, OQHAIR. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below. I'm here for it. It looks so pretty. It looks so natural. Check them out. That is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.